Greetings, Leoneers! Do you know that new Dev Diary is here?
The new qualification view has received a major update. A new currency tab was introduced, thus finishing the initial dataset. The user interface was improved in a sales panel. With the new right-hand side panel, you can now easily choose your desired quotation when you are sending your sales documents. And also, we are still expanding the capabilities of displaying contact data changes history. Now, you can also see changes in visas, vaccinations and contact details.
Those and many more new features await you in our release notes. If you want to learn more about Leon, please check our YouTube channel or LinkedIn page.